Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Lecture number 3. Topic name is electroscopy. Electroscope. So, first of all, what is electroscope? Electroscope is a device or instrument used for two purposes. Number one, Number one is to detect charge on a body, and second one, the nature of a charge on a body. Now we will explain briefly the definition that electroscope is a device or an instrument that we use for two purposes. First one is that if we want that there is any charge on the body or not, for example we have this pen and I want to check that the pen is charged and uncharged, there is any charge on the body of the pen or not, so we will use electroscope. Second one, if there is or there are any charges on the pen or any other body, then we can find which type of charge occurring on the body. It means that the charges are positive charge or negative charge. So this is the function, this is the application and use of the electroscope. First of all, we will study the construction of electroscope. Electroscope consists of major three parts. Number first, glass jar, conducting rod, metallic disc and leaves attached to the lower end of the rod, while the upper end attached to the conducting or metallic disc. These leaves not touch any part of this container, they are suspended, and there is an insulating material between the conducting rod and this container. Now working. The working for testing a charge on a body is very simple. For example, if we want to find charge on this pen, we will brought near this pen to the disc, but never touch the disc, only brought near the disc. If these leaves diverged, move away from each other, it means that these pen having charge. But if the leaves remain same, no divergence occur, it means that the body pen having no charge. What is the physics behind these divergence or no divergence? The reason is that if this pen is charged body and I brought this pen near the disc, then due to electrostatic induction phenomena that we have discussed in a previous lecture too, the charges on the disc, rod and leaves will be distributed. Means if the pen has positive charge, then all the negative charge will appear on the disc and all the positive charge will appear on the leaves. There will be no charge between disc and leaves because of repulsion. charge will minimize repulsion, that's why they will move to the extreme, and extreme are these two, disk and leaves. So if the pen is charged and let's suppose positive, all the negative will appear at the surface of the metallic disc and all the positive will appear on the surface of the leaves. So all the leaves are positively charged, they will repel each other and they will diverge. If we detected charge on a body, then we can use again electroscope how to detect the nature of charge, either it is positive or negative. So for this, watch lecture number 3. If you have any question, share your questions on the WhatsApp group of class 10th. Thanks, have a nice day.